Pag burnout ka, ito yung nakakatakot. Damay-damay siya. Even yung mga tao mahal mo sa buhay that you care for, nadadamay sa sitwasyon mo. Irritable ka, wala ka sa mood, wala ka sa ayos, wala ka sa wisyo because you're in that space of stress. So, anong gagawin mo now? Sabi nga nung secretary ko, ang pangalan niya Ara. Ano yung Ara? Sabi niya, importante daw, awareness, kamalayan, if wherever you are, you get to understand where you are. Be honest about it, not deny it, that if you're depressed, that if you're challenge, if you're burned out, ang ibig sabihin lang nito, aminin mo muna. But with awareness, kulang yan. Kailangan mo to take responsible what? Responsible actions. So that things can change for you. Without responsible action, you will continue to be in that cycle of loop, paulit-ulit-ulit. Kaya nga, magandang tanong lagi ako ba, at this point, am I stressed? Am I burned out? Kamusta ka? Are these stress markers living in your life right now? Because at the end of the day, new mindset creates new results. Kapalit ng kamalayan, pwede magbago ang iyong resulta.